get used to this lighting. Morning, y'all. So I'm about to get ready. I know the air is on, it's kind of loud, but yeah, I'm gonna try to do the ponytail. So yeah. All right, just gonna brush my hair up like this. I forgot to buy like a big white tooth comb. All right, so let's try to just gel this up. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna throw that headband wig right back on and call it a day. Some of this gel. I was supposed to do my hair before this trip, but I didn't make the appointment in time. So here we are. By the way, I'm using another camera to vlog right now. I'm using my other vlog camera that I really love instead of this one. I love this camera. I don't know which one I like better, but I love them both. This one is bigger though, so I don't like to use it when I'm like walking around the house and stuff because it's kind of heavy. It's heavier, but it's a really good vlogging camera. And you have to get the certain lens that I have on it. I'll leave the lens below too. This is definitely a workout. This view is so beautiful. Let me show you guys. Okay, so I'm literally just looking at the Empire State Building, like, let me zoom in a bit. Empire State Building, like this beautiful view all around me. It's amazing. Yeah. So I love the New York skyline. I love it. So I'm gonna just take out some hair. Not really anything. My hair in the front, like my baby hairs, are super long. So I don't always mess with them. Okay, so I'm gonna just do the back a bit. Ooh, I think I didn't want that back there. It's kind of rough. The front of my hair looks good. The back has a few bumps, but honestly, nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. I'm gonna spray my hair. I'm gonna take 2 of these. And then I'm gonna make a super tiny bun on top. I'm gonna use this. I have a black one too, but I'm just gonna use that one. Gotta put these in now. Sometimes like this comes out really easy or like good, I guess, and then other times it's such a struggle. So I don't know what kind of day it's gonna be. I hope it's an easy day. Yeah, this is what the hair looks like. This is from literally the beauty supply store. So I put in both bundles and now I'm gonna make my bubble braid. So I'm gonna just make a bubble right here and I'm gonna just put this little thing in there. Here.
Who is the butcher's daughter?
I'm gonna keep my hair tied down, but let me show you guys what it looks like before. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. So I just did my lashes and my brows. And I am getting ready. We're gonna go look for something to eat. We have a couple options. Okay, so I just threw on my sweater and I'm gonna, oh gosh, I just threw on my sweater, which is kind of like a cape, and it's really nice. And I'm gonna show you guys the full outfit once I finish my makeup. I need to clean this sponge, but I don't know how I'm gonna clean this. Alright, so I just washed my sponge with the hotel bar soap. Hopefully it's not like gonna break me out. Okay, so we're gonna just do a quick makeup. I did apply lotion to my face a bit earlier because it was really dry. I'm gonna use my fancy primer as usual. This one here. This one here. Y'all know the drill. And we have decided that we're gonna walk to a restaurant called The Butcher's Daughter. It's really good. It's well-known restaurant. And then if we're not able to get a table, because we're gonna try to do like a walk-in, they have walk-in slots. If it's, hopefully there's no one there and we're able to get a table, but if it's packed, then we'll have to do a plan B. Okay. From there, we're gonna just hang out in Soho, or we may go to Brookfield Place. So I think I definitely want to go to Brookfield Place, but I'm trying to decide if I want to go today or tomorrow. So I'm gonna just put this NARS foundation on. That's the only one I brought with me. Like, it's my jam. I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever concealer, this one. I can get used to this lighting. Like, this lighting is so good. Wow. You know, originally, like, in my mind, I was like, I'm gonna bring my whole setup to do a video on my other camera, like my camera that I use for beauty videos. And I do have that camera with me because I want to take pictures. But I was like, that is doing the absolute most, because I would have to bring the camera, you know, my mic, a whole setup. But the lighting is just so good, and I knew it was gonna be good because natural lighting is just amazing, especially at this height. So I'm just going to set under my eye. I'm going to use this powder to set under my eye. I'm going to add some of this powder. This is like a long wear waterproof setting powder. And just press this on my forehead. Whoa. I don't even know what she did, but it looks like one of my kids got in here. Alright, so I'm gonna use my highlight. This is from Milk. Whoa. I'm gonna add mascara to my bottom lashes. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is MAC's Cork Liner. And then for lipstick, Johnny's brushing his teeth, in case you are wondering. For lipstick, here we're gonna do... Oh, I wanted to use this one. I'm gonna take this with me. I wanted to use this one today from Natasha, Denona. I showed you guys a tutorial with the full collection for Valentine's Day. Alright, so this is the look. Alright, so I'm gonna go wash my hands, put some lotion on them because they are super ashy. And my expression is washed in this face, I think. Oh, I didn't show you guys the bathroom during the daytime.
Oh, we can make it. I think this one's washed.
Some lotion on my hands. I have other lotions that I really like, but they have their lotion right here, so I'm using that. Oh my gosh, I forgot to spray my face. I would have been devastated. So this is my Charlotte Tilbury spray. I'm gonna spray my face. What? I can't believe I forgot to spray my face. This camera down here. That was a close one. Okay, so I'm gonna do perfume now. I'm gonna show you guys the ones that I brought with me in good lighting. I brought these two perfumes with me. This is Gentle Fluidity here, and then I also brought Gucci Flora as well. So I'm gonna use those two perfumes today. I'm gonna use these two, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of this. It smells amazing. So this is the outfit. The lighting is kind of not that good. All right. So it's my outfit. Here I have my bracelets on. These Louis Vuitton, Pandora. I have one from Anna Luisa and then one from Miranda Fry. So I'll leave everything linked below that I can find. And have my little thing on. This is from Zara. I really love it. It's perfect for the winter, and I'm wearing this top from Abercrombie under it. It's just a thermal top, but it really goes well with this. I think I'm gonna end up using this bag just because I want to bring the camera. All right, so this is me. I just got fully dressed with my shoes, coat, and scarf. My shoes. It's so funny. Oh, okay. All right, thank you. All right, guys, so we're gonna go. We're on our way. Okay, so outside. The laughing emoji, skinny jeans, and something else.
Crying emoji?
And then saying LOL.
Is the crying emoji actually a laughing emoji?
Well, it's like laughing like mad hard. So, but yeah. So.
You alright?
Yeah.
Is that cold?
It's hard to breathe, huh?
Is that cold? Where you are?
My hands are cold.
Where your head?
My head is fine.
Alright. My
So-
ears are kind of cold.
We're still walking. I think we're almost there. Like 5 minutes away. Whew, it is cold though.
It is cold.
It's 30 degrees. It's not cute, girl. It's not cute. So I'm back in the room. We went to breakfast, well, brunch, and then we went to Zara and got a couple things at Zara. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I got later, or maybe, yeah, I'll show you guys what I got at Zara later. Got some cute things. It was a really huge Zara. It had like 3 floors. It did have 3 floors, and yeah, so I'll show you guys later what we got. But we're gonna go now to Brookfield Place. We're gonna go call an Uber to go there because it's a little further. And yeah, that's the next stop. So I'll keep you guys posted a little later. Hi.
Hello, are your name Sophie?
Yes, Jasmine.
Sit down.
Okay.
How you doing? Hi, good. How are you? This is the restaurant here, yeah?
Yeah, an hotel.
Nice decoration.
Yeah.
Here.
Yes, thank you. So I don't know about like palm trees. Ooh. The thing is the palm trees. That's cute. Freedom Tower here, and this is World Trade Center.
Don't be thinking no shit, my nigga. You think 'cause you won't put your hand up down, that's all you back. Off the book, bro. That's where the God and the devil,
Oh yeah? Where? Maybe at Starbucks.
Cool vlog.
Watching All American. Hey guys, it's nighttime and I just want to show you guys the lights. It's so pretty. All the buildings.
I love the lights.
And we're back in the room. We had to call room service because Johnny clogged the toilet. So they're headed up with a plunger. Anyways, we're gonna hang out. We're gonna order out cookies, hang out, watch a movie, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.